Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to install legacy hardware on Windows 10. Sometimes you will need to install non-plug and play devices such as older serial or parallel devices. To install a legacy driver, go to Control Panel, Device Manager, click on the Action menu, then select Add Legacy Hardware. From here, click Next to continue. You will be asked if you want Windows 10 to automatically search for and install the hardware or if you want to manually select it from a list. If you choose Search for and install the hardware automatically, then you must connect first the device before performing this option. If you choose to manually select your hardware from a list, you will be presented with a full list of all the main device types that are available in the driver store. What happens from here will vary depending on what device category you choose. If you are, for example, installing a modem, you will be first asked if you want the modem automatically detected, or you will be taken to a list of all the legacy and smartphone modem types that are known to Windows. If on the other hand you're installing a printer, you will be asked which port on the computer it is connected to, or if Windows needs to create a virtual port for the connection. This covers how to install legacy hardware on Windows 10. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.